Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Are you thinking about buying a new smartphone?
Do you know how to compare different smartphones in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about comparing smartphones.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Hi, you look excited today.
I am. I'm planning to buy a new smartphone.
That's great. What happened to your old phone?
It's very slow now, and the battery doesn't last long.
I see.
I use my phone every day for work and watching videos.
Then you need a good one.
Exactly.
Do you already have a model in mind?
Not yet. I'm still comparing different phones.
What's most important to you?
A good camera, a long battery life, and enough storage.
Those are good choices.
I also want a phone that's easy to use.
That's important too. Let's compare these two smartphones.
Okay.
This one has a larger screen.
I like big screens for watching videos.
The other one is smaller and lighter.
That would be easier to carry.
This phone has a 50-megapixel camera.
Wow, that sounds impressive.
The other phone has a 64-megapixel camera.
Which one takes better photos?
Both are very good.
How about the battery?
This one lasts about 2 days.
That's excellent.
The other one charges faster.
That's useful too. How much is this phone?
It's $500.
That's a little expensive.
The other one costs $450.
The price isn't too different.
That's true.
Which phone would you choose?
I choose the first one because of the battery life.
I think I prefer the second one because it's lighter.
Both are excellent choices.
I think I'll buy the second one.
Congratulations.
Thank you for helping me compare them.
You're welcome.
I'm excited to use my new phone.
So, how do you like your new smartphone?
I really like it.
That's great to hear.
The screen is bright and clear.
Is it fast?
Yes, it's much faster than my old phone.
How's the battery life?
It's excellent.
How often do you charge it?
Only once a day.
That's very convenient.
The camera is amazing too.
Have you taken many photos?
Yes, I took some pictures at the park yesterday.
How did they look?
They were sharp and colorful.
That's wonderful.
I'm very happy with my choice.
It sounds like you made the right decision. What apps do you use the most?
I use a messaging app every day.
Me too.
I also watch videos online.
Do you listen to music on your phone?
Yes, especially when I'm traveling.
That's nice.
I also use my phone to read the news.
That's a good habit.
Sometimes I play games.
What's your favorite game?
I enjoy puzzle games.
They're fun and relaxing.
I also use my phone to take notes.
That's very useful.
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Smartphones are very useful in daily life.
I completely agree.
What did you learn today?
I learned many useful English expressions.
Can you remember some?
Battery life,
Excellent.
camera,
Very good.
storage,
Perfect.
screen,
Great.
fast charging,
Wonderful.
take photos,
Excellent.
download apps.
Fantastic.
I feel more confident talking about smartphones in English now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you so much for helping me today.
You're always welcome.
Let's practice another conversation next time.
I'd love that.
See you soon.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for comparing smartphones and talking about their features.
You also learned how to describe cameras, battery life, storage, screens, and the apps you use every day.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.